In the dynamic and fast-changing world of the logistics business, where time is money, trips are increasing, where driving comfort is vital for improved efficiency, intracity goods transportation is seeking an alternate source of energy that is cleaner, greener, fatigue-free and an efficient solution. And the answer is electric trucks for goods transportation. Inspired by the changing dynamics of transport business, Tata Motors introduces India's first ever electric intermediate commercial vehicle, the new Tata Ultra T7 electric truck. It is Dil Se Green Ultra Truck with a near zero emission, exclusively designed for the intra-city goods delivery, supporting the pollution reduction drive of our Indian cities. That is Dil Se non-stop. With a battery capacity covering 100 to 120 kilometers range between charges, making it ideal for city delivery from the warehouse. It provides Dil Se Aaram with fatigue-free gearless driving, combined with ultra state-of-the-art cabin comfort. This is the ultimate answer to all your intracity transportation needs for today and tomorrow. While being environmental conscious, the truck ensures profits due to the reduced total cost of ownership, making it still safe profitable. So let's carry goods in an electric way with the new Tata Ultra T7 electric truck. Dil Se Green, Dil Se Ultra.